To recover Snapchat My Eyes Only photos, simply follow these steps. First of all, open Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Snapchat account. Once logged in, tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now, once done so, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down till the bottom and there you will get to see Help Center option available in the support. Simply tap on it. Now once inside the support, all you have to do is scroll down and there you will get to see Contact Us option available there. And now simply tap on the Contact Us. As you can see, there is no My Eyes Only option available in the request. So simply tap on My Account Was Compromised. For now, once you tap on the My Account Was Compromised, you will be navigated to another list where they will ask you how was your account compromised or more information regarding the account compromised. Simply tap on the first one. Then after you do so, you will get to see Submit Request in the red highlights option available there at the below. Scroll down and tap on the Submit Request option available there. Now here you'll be navigated to submit a request of Snapchat. Now here simply write down your email, username and the problem you are facing, like you want to recover My Eyes Only photos, and after you are completed doing it, simply tap on the submit option available at the bottom. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.